Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox an order from Amazon. I already took it out of the Amazon box. I don't know about you, but I like my order or my product hidden. So I always put there, every time I order, I always put hide my item. But today I already took it out of the box and we are going to unbox the product from its box. So as you can see, it's still an open. There's still tape on it. It is still sealed. Okay, so here it is. This is a magnetic wireless charger. Ouch, I ripped the box out. For iPhone. Okay, what iPhones? iPhone 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12. Okay, so it is iPhone 12 through 17 to the latest iPhone in the market. All right, and then it is also a charger for Apple Watch and AirPods. So this is it. This is the box. We have this thing on top, and here you go. Let me get the last one, the user manual. Okay, the important book in every order we have. Okay, and what is this? We'll see what is this first. What's this in this box is the cable wire, and oh wow, it comes with the adapter. Let me see. 45 watts wall charger. Guys, every time you buy gadgets, I don't know about the other company, but every time you buy Apple products now, it does not come with this. Like if you buy Apple phone, it does not come with this. It only comes with a cable. But this one, this charger comes with a cable. So that is very neat. A cable, an adapter rather. You only do not get a cable, but you also get an adapter. There you go. Look at that. Wow. I love it. It's sturdy, guys. It does not even move. It's heavy. Yeah, it is heavy. It is built good. Yeah. So this is where you put the phone, and this is where you put the watch. Okay, guys. We have here Apple 14. Okay. So we will charge it. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Hmm? Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Mm, that's neat, huh? And then I have my watch. We're gonna charge it. It's actually low bat. So we're gonna charge my watch. Lock it. Oops. Too tight. Okay. There you go. Oh, wow. Spinning. Hmm. Look at that. Look at that. Your watch will turn to. That's neat. And then you can do your AirPods here. Not sure if this one. Look at that. This is for AirPods. This is for the watch. And this is for the phone. So there's 3 in 1. I love this. So this is where you charge them. Okay, this is where you plug it in with this cable and the adapter. Put it on the plug it on the wall. Plug it here, and this one will work. Okay, guys, so we have iPhone 12. We're gonna try the iPhone 12. Look at that. That is a very, very impressive magnet. See how it's pulling, guys? I love that. We'll try another phone. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's do the MagSafe test. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, I love it. There you go, guys. This is very neat. Now let's try plugging it in onto the wall. We're going to remove the plastic wrap first. It's kind of tight, but we have to remove this for safety reasons. This is a fast charger, so you can charge your phone up to 60% in just 30 minutes. This cable and adapter is capable of charging a MacBook. So if you travel, you already have a charger for all your Apple electronics. All right, let's plug it in and try it out. There goes the blue light. This MagSafe charging station continuously dissipates heat from your phone during charging. It prevents overheating and protects your battery. Okay, my watch is charging now. Then we'll put our phone. This is the 12 Pro Max. Look at that. And it's charging. Wow, look at that. It's charging. This is for AirPods, for watch, and for phone. This is available in Amazon. Please check the link below if you want to order this MagSafe wireless charger. Awesome. This 3-in-1 charging station can power your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously, transforming cluttered cables into a single elegant solution that streamlines your daily routine. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.